Yo guys, what is good? It's your boy John Wong here, back again with another video, and today we're going over some new pickups that I just copped. Alright, so I anticipate today's video being a little shorter than usual just because, I just got back from vacation a couple of days ago. I'm still settling in, and I don't know if you guys could tell, but I just picked up a new camera, judging by the quality of this video, but I'll talk more about that in a second. So yeah, today I'm just going over things that I picked up over the last couple of days. I got two packages from Nike, obviously, they're sneakers that I'm excited to unbox with you guys, and yeah, I'm really excited to test out this new camera, so let's hop into it. Alright, so like I said before I get to unboxing the sneakers, I wanted to share with you guys some great news. Now, I did finally pick up a new camera, and for this one, we are using the Sony ZV-1F. Now, I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube about the Sony ZV-1F, and I think this is one of the best cameras for quality that will not break the bank, so I decided to pick this up. And yeah, as you guys can see, I'm filming on it right now. I think this video is kind of like a test trial for this camera to see, what I'm able to do with it, how well it's able to perform. And I probably will see everything later on when I am making this video. But right now, as I'm recording this, I'm really impressed by how well it's doing. Now, in the past, I have recorded my videos with the GoPro Hero 8. And yeah, it's a great camera, but I always wanted to go for something with a little more quality. I wanted to go for something that had a little more autofocus, so that blurry background effect. And the GoPro Hero 8, unfortunately, it's not really great for that. It's a great vlogging camera, but it's not something that I can keep doing YouTube with for long. So we're gonna retire this. But nevertheless, guys, we gotta show the GoPro some appreciation. So if you guys have appreciated my videos in the past, this was all the GoPro Hero 8's doing. So please give it a big thumbs up if you guys will miss the GoPro Hero 8. I definitely will, but I can definitely use this for like family vlogs now when I'm on vacation. But yeah, this is not going to be something that I'm going to use for YouTube anymore. But again, guys, if you appreciate my effort, you appreciate my dedication to YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and definitely watch until the end of the video because I appreciate all the support and it's helping me get my foot into the door when it comes to YouTube. Alright, enough of me talking. Let's unbox the sneakers, which is probably why most of you guys are here. We got two boxes from Nike. Now, I did purchase these when I was on vacation and they actually shipped a couple of days ago. So I have not unboxed them yet and I'm really excited and looking forward to knowing what these sneakers look like in hand. So I have no idea which box is which, so we're just gonna get right into it. We got the first one right here. Now, I'm not going to be doing any reviews of these sneakers in this video. I'm going to be doing my separate reviews of these sneakers in the future videos, so please stay tuned for that. If you guys are looking forward to that, smash the subscribe button, and let's just get the box open. I realize we don't even really need a box cutter. Okay, we got the box open, and this one is a red Nike box, so I have a feeling I know which one this is. As you guys can see, with Nike's packaging, there's a huge hole in the box. I feel like that's not going to be too much of a problem, but it's always a shame when your box comes like pretty beat up and damaged. Alright, so this is a sneaker that I've been wanting for a while. Again, like most sneakers, I was looking for a better colorway to come out, and finally this released on the Nike app and I was really excited, so I had to go for it. So let's unbox it. Obviously, we have the lid off the box. And 3, 2, 1. Sheesh! Oh, shoot! I have not seen these in person. Sweet. So, yes, sir, we do have the Air Max DNs in this purple platinum colorway. These are actually super fire. I love the purple on them. I think this is a really clean take on the sneaker. And this is actually the special edition of the Air Max DNs. I know for their other colorways, they don't have the extra swoosh on the outer profile of the sneaker. So that's really cool. I like this a lot. I've actually tried on a pair of Air Max DNs once in Nike. It wasn't a colorway that I was a big fan of, but I wanted to see how this shoe felt like on feet, and these are super comfortable. So I cannot wait to try these on. And yeah, stay tuned for a review on the Air Max DNs. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, we'll put this to the side. Super great pickup. I love that one a lot. And then we got the second box left. All right, so this one has to be the one that I'm thinking about right now. All right, as you guys can see, we do have a black box. I don't know how well some of you guys are familiar with when it comes to basketball sneakers, but we do have a pair of Sabrina 1s. Actually, these are Sabrina 2s. My fault. It literally says it's Sabrina 2s right here. Now, I'm not really that big into watching NBA anymore, or WNBA. I don't know a ton of basketball players, but I still love to play ball. And when I saw these, I just had to pick these up because I need a new pair of basketball sneakers. I need, something that I could wear indoors, because I currently wear the Kyrie 4s and those are beat to the ground. So I want something with a little more traction. So yeah, let's just open up the box. As you guys can see, we have the wrapping paper in 3, 2, 1. Sheesh! Man, double sheesh. 2 sheeshes in one video. That's something I don't think I've done before. As you guys can see, we do have the Sabrina 2s in the conductor colorway, and these are super icy. These are really, really nice. Yeah, so I had to pick these up. I got them on release day because I just wasn't sure if I wanted them. Now, I would try to convince myself out of it. I was like, I don't think I need a pair of hooping shoes because I don't even hoop that often. But after this, I'm probably gonna have to get on the court a lot more. And yeah, I'm super excited to wear these. I actually don't even know how they feel like on feet, but in terms of looks, these look super beautiful and crisp. I just love a good baby blue looking sneaker. You cannot go wrong with such a clean sneaker. So beautiful. And I'll talk more about this in another video. But yeah, for now we have the Sabrina 2s. So yeah, those are just 3 things that I wanted to share with you guys about what I picked up recently. I got my new camera, and then as always, we got new sneaker pickups. We got the Air Max DNs, as well as the Sabrina 2s. And those are sneakers that I think I'm gonna be wearing pretty frequently. And yes, stay tuned for the reviews because we're gonna be making them in the upcoming videos. Alright guys, pretty much wraps up my video for today. A shorter video, but I just had to kind of test out my new camera. And again, I'm really happy that it's turning out well so far. Let's just see how it does during the production process. But yep, if you guys liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to hear more from me, smash the subscribe button because more will be on the way. Again, I'm always happy to share with you guys my new pickups, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!